Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve 3 power m plus 3 power m is equals to 5, and we have to find the value of m. So let's start with the today's video solution. So if I'll take 3 power m as common, so what is left? 1 plus 1 is equals to 5. So 3 power m times 2 is equals to 5. So 3 power m is equals to 5 by 2. Now I am taking log on both sides. So log 3 power m is equals to log 5 by 2. Now m times log 3 is equals to, according to log rule, log a by b, we can write this as log a minus log b. So log 5 minus log 2. So m is equals to log 5 minus log 2 by log 3. Now put all the values. The value of log 5 is 0.69897. The value of log 2 is 0.30103, and the value of log 3 is 0.47712. So m is equals to 0.69897 minus 0.30103 by 0.47712. So m is equals to 0.39794 by 0.47712. M is equals to 0.83. So this is the value of m. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.